Hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In first video you saw how we set Acre grid on ground reality. Now in this video we examine how to set georeferenced points on Google imagery. Not how to clip Mussavies on Acre grid. There is following step of it. First we start editing on Acre grid shop file. Select 20 by 20 acres from Acre grids to exact place Mussavie georeferencing. Add Georeferencing tool from toolbar. Select the Mussavie in TIFF. Format in Georeferencing tool, then right-click the Georeferencing and select Fit to Display for selected Mussavie. Mussavie shown on screen. Select Add Control Point tool and start to adjust the points on all four sides of the Mussavies with the selected end part of the Mussavies. Once Mussavie is adjust on the selected acres of grid. Further add points on the Mussavie for further adjustment. Repeat this add point step whenever the Mussavie is not adjusted by using Spline Tool from links of Georeferencing. Stay tuned for more videos regarding cadastral mapping. Thanks for watching.